Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to MAXCast. Here we are at Max Ottawa's launch event, Future of AI. I'm here with two of the attendees, Nabila and Yasmina. How are you guys doing today?
Very good, thank you.
Very good.
Amazing. So I love the energy here. I know a lot of people are networking at the back, and thank you. You two took some time out to give us a few words from your thoughts on the event. First question: how are you feeling tonight after attending the first ever? I think that's your Max event in Ottawa.
Yes, it's my first ever Max event in Ottawa, and I think the event was so well planned and structured. Loved the panel tonight. So much energy, such great ideas. I'm really glad I could come out.
How about you, Yasmin? Yasmin.
The panel discussion was really interesting. I work in the public service and I found it really interesting to have panelists that come both from the public and the private sector to show us how AI is leveraged in different sectors.
Amazing. And speaking of AI, we are here. Future of AI. It's a big topic. Everyone talks about AI. In your both of you guys' humble experience, what is the takeaway tonight after listening to all the speakers that you learned?
Big topic, lots of conversation. I think my biggest takeaway is AI is a tool, very powerful, but it is a tool. And as we've seen on the panel today, people are hopeful, a little bit of fear, but mostly hope. And I think I'd like to take that away. Use AI with a little bit of curiosity, but also a little bit of caution.
What about you, Yasmina? What are your thoughts on it?
I totally support what Nabila said. One of the comments from a panelist, Dr. Shima Khan, that I found really interesting was when she talked about the intentions behind using AI and how important they're going to be in the future.
Amazing. So intent and importance of AI, knowing basically you should know it's a tool. Don't hype it up too much. Just use it for the right causes. Amazing. So last thing in terms of the future Max, this is the first event in Ottawa. Many more inshallah to come. What can you tell future attendees? Why should they attend these events?
I think Max is filling a really important space here in Ottawa where it's bringing professionals that are mid to senior level and bringing them here, allowing us to gain access to their thoughts and get inspired by them. So I'm very happy that you could enter the space and allow us to gain information from these amazing people. And if you need a space to come in and have a conversation about all of those, check out the Muslim Young Professionals of Ottawa at Michael Ottawa. And inshallah, we're so happy that we can get here, work with you, and inshallah, looking forward to many collaborations.
As Nabila said, check out Muslim Professional of Ottawa. I think you'll find great resources there, and also Max. But yeah, Yasmina, what about you? What are your thoughts on this?
It's the first time I attend a conference on AI, and to any people who are reluctant to attending, I'd say come because not only you're gonna gain so much knowledge, but also you're gonna meet new people.
Great. So meeting new people and Ottawa, and although I messed it up, okay, we'll do that after. Thank you for your time, and we'll catch more attendees.